welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. It's a prudent impact. PWD suspends 9 mollem checkpost staff on Monday in entry tax scam. Probe after expose reveals all illegalities. National Green Tribunal hardens its stand against illegal sand mining, directs all states to provide names of law violators, contemplates harsh action. Goa Mining People Front start its offensive demanding resumption of mining. Sakri Sabha slams CM for giving false assurances on mining. Clubs in Kalangut on the radar of Panchayat. Body resolves to cancel licenses of outlets involved in prostitution and drugs. And speeding train tramples 37 to death in Bihar. Angry mob burns the train. Bihar government announces 2 lakhs compensation. And now the news in detail. PWD has dismissed 9 workers at mollem checkpost on Monday. They are dismissed in entry fee collection scam at the checkpost. Prudent had exposed the scam wherein vehicles were allowed to enter the state without issuing receipts. PWD has initiated inquiry on the backdrop of the expose revealing siphoning off of huge amount of money. It's a prudent impact.
मोले ह्या भागात आमचो जो नाको आसा त्या नाकार जी आमी इन्क्वायरी करपाक आमचो जो विजिलन्स ऑफिसर आशिल्लो बाब कुलकर्णी तो सगळो रिपोर्ट फाटल्या शुक्रारा म्हजे कडेन आयलो. सो फर्स्ट थिंग एक चेकनाक्याची फुल इन्क्वायरी जाल्या नंतर आमकां 9 मनीस एका शिफ्टीचे सापडले एंड आय हॅव टेकन अ डिसिजन टू टर्मिनेट टू डिसमिस दीस ऑल 9 पीपल हू आर इन्वॉल्वड इन द माल प्रॅक्टिसेस.
आणि हे जे डिसमिस केले ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट वर्कर सगळे ते एंट्री फी खातीरूच एम्प्लॉय केल्ले.
हय ते एंट्री हेका खातीरूच एम्प्लॉय केल्ले.
PWD has initiated inquiry at remaining checkposts in the state. However, operations at this checkpost are clean till now.
आणि त्याच बरोबर बाकीच्यो इन्क्वायरी आमच्यो चालू आसा.
कितें कसल्यो?
ते बाकीच्यो चेक नाक्या वयल्यो. एक म्हाका दिसता चौकशी पूर्ण जायत आयल्या तातूंत आमकां व्हडलेशें कांय मेळूना. आणि जी व्हेकल तांणी सोडल्या तांकां आमीच सांगिल्लें बेळगांव कारवार अशे जे विभागांतल्यान जी व्हेकल सोडल्या ती व्हेकलां आमीच डिक्लेअर केल्ली की तांकां आमी आमचे बाकीचे सगळे प्रोसेस कंप्लीट जायसर फ्री सोडटले म्हणून.
Prudent had exposed the illegalities carried out at mollem checkpost on 23rd July. Expose highlighted how PWD workers allow vehicles to enter in the state by charging less money, which is directly siphoned off. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
National Green Tribunal's order prevents removal of sand from riverbeds. If anyone is found extracting sand, it will be considered as contempt of the court. NGT in its order has directed all the states to name the persons involved in illegal sand extraction. Meanwhile, Crime Branch has registered FIR in illegal mining case and government has decided to dissolve Khandaparkar committee as Lokayukta also is probing the case.
National Green Tribunal's order restrains any person, company or authority to carry out any kind of mining activity in riverbeds. It has asked to the environmental clearance from Ministry of Forest and Environment or State Environment Impact Assessment Authority before extracting sand. It has also asked all the states to provide names of individuals who are caught in illegal sand mining. Captain of Ports has invited applications for no objection certificate from people interested in unloading sand on their property. Some of the landowners are charging heavy money for NOC. Captain of Ports James Braganza informed that they will inspect the area first and give NOC to the applicants.
Permission can be given. There are procedures to be followed wherein they need to apply to us. Then we formally send our surveyors there for inspection, and based on that government is informed, and accordingly whatever area they wish to those areas are permitted, and they have to pay a certain amount of fees. I mean, the one prevailing now is around 10 rupees per square meters. So based on that, permissions are given to them.
Meanwhile, government is planning to dissolve Justice R.M.S. Khandeparkar committee as government has handed over the alleged illegal mining case to Lokayukta. Committee was not even given minimum infrastructure to function. While 5,051 applications of truck owners were cleared by government, nearly 6,756 applications were received by Mines Department till 7th August. Similarly, 255 applicants receiving unemployment package for losing their job due to mining ban. Nearly 1,969 applications were received by department. Government has sanctioned 19 crore rupees for mining package, out of which 7 crores were dispersed and 12 crores are yet to be dispersed. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farhari and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Goa Mining People's Front has slammed Chief Minister during its Sakri convention. Front says Chief Minister should have withdrawn ban on mining in last December. Supreme Court will not revoke the ban now. Government should issue a notification first and then defend mining.
Goa Mining People's Front has started their 7 days, 7 talukas agitation from Monday. Front held its meeting at Sakri. Local MLA Dr. Pramod Sawant, mining dependents and leaders were present. Local dailies had recently reported that government is planning to revoke suspension of mining operations. Leaders raised this issue during their Sakri Sabha.
Instead of really knocking at the correct door, at the right place, he is only in show business. This is all show business. He should have done it on 18th of December 2012 when we gave a call to him. Now it has what effect is that? Amka Munis Morpak Paula, he is in ICU. Supreme Court has gone patra bhare म्हणून Supreme Court मागणी चालू करतो ना लोकांनी रस्ते कशे पडटले मायनिंग उगडता Supreme Court ऑर्डर काढ म्हटले म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपण गोयचे मायनिंग चालू करतो म्हटले म्हणून मायनिंग चालू होते ना लक्षात ठेवा जोपर्यंत जनतेचे आंदोलन चालू ना जोपर्यंत जनतेच्या दरबारात घर बिगडे ना उजो ना तोपर्यंत जावं मुख्यमंत्री जावं Supreme Court क्षमा पडटले.
Sakri MLA has supported the agitation of Goa Mining People's Front.
मायनिंग सुरू जावपाक जाय त्या खातीर जी मुवमेंट जाता त्या जी आंदोलन जाता आसत ओके बट त्या आंदोलना बरोबर सदांच आसतलो
Goa Mining People's Front has appealed the people to gather at Panji on 29th August in large numbers. Their motto is to create pressure on the state government, the union government and the Supreme Court for resuming mining operations in Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Discotheques and nightclubs in Kalangut and Baga will be on radar of Kalangut Panchayat during this tourist season. Panchayat has resolved to crack down on clubs involved in prostitutions and drug activities.
Kalangut Panchayat has resolved to shut down all discotheques and nightclubs involved in drugs and prostitution.
आम्ही 16th आमची मीटिंग झाली 16th आणि आम्ही डिस्को आणि नाईट क्लब
ओके
हे बंद करपाचेच रेझोल्यूशन घेतलं लायसन्स नासले त्यांची फक्त आम्ही दिल्ले रेस्टॉरंटाक.
Kalangut MLA vows to eradicate dance bars.
Home Minister is very clear, MLA is very clear, Panchayatine clear केला की they have not given any permission, licenses as far as dance bar is concerned. आता काय लोकांकडे बार लायसन हा आधीसून घेतलेले त्यांनी रेस्टॉरंट एंड बार म्हणून जेन्ना ओपन जाता तेन्ना बार लायसन घेता एवरी इयर ते रिन्यू जाता. So based on that, I am making a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister. आधी जितकी डान्स बार आसली आणि ते परतून एक 6 महिने जाले 1 वर्स जाले उपरांत ट्राय करता ओपन करपाक इन द सेम स्टायल डान्स बार ही हेंचे जी बार लायसन अजूनही पासून रिन्यू जाल्ली हा ती खंय तरी कॅन्सल करपाक.
Prudent contacted Punch member Joseph Sequeira. He elaborated on the resolution and provided some crucial details. Sequeira told Prudent, Panchayat deliberated on this issue when police locked 5 alleged dance bars in Kalangut, Mehfil, the Baga, Rio, Inos, the Revolution. We were shocked when we witnessed semi-nude girls dancing in one of these dance bars. If Kalangut Panchayat executes the resolution to the hilt during tourist season, then many famous clubs might face the blow. Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.